Unlike the bright spring weather we enjoyed over the weekend, rain is expected across most parts of the country through tomorrow. By early tomorrow morning, the rain will spread to Jeollanam-do Province and Jeju Island. While it'll mostly ease by tomorrow afternoon, showers may linger into the evening in Gyeongsangnam-do Province and Jeju Islands. As for expected rainfall, up to 60 millimeters is forecast for the Jeolla-do provinces. Seoul, Incheon, and northern Gyeonggi-do Province are expected to receive around 10 millimeters. As the rain moves through, some areas may also see lightning and hail, so please take extra care. Tomorrow, Seoul will start the day at 15 degrees Celsius, Chuncheon at 14 degrees, Jeju at 16 degrees. Then by the afternoon, Seoul will get up to 22 degrees. Chuncheon, Daegu, Gyeongju will all top out at 22 degrees. After the rain stops, warmer weather will return. And by the end of the week, daytime highs will reach up to 30 degrees, bringing early summer-like heat.